We're going to Scharingvik. It's a nice place with a beach. It's very beautiful. What's this sign again? No stopping?
You can stop but don't stand.
Nobody parked here. In the middle of the road. What the hell? Where's the parking?
We cannot park anywhere here.
Yeah, there's no glass. There's no parking nearby, so we have to walk far. We parked over there. We have our gadgets with us. We're gonna fly the drone. Mavic Mini. We got our boy over here. He decided to go with us and have fun. Nothing to do at home. He's just gonna play. He's a gamer. Look at this beautiful place. Look. Look at that. And no people. Wow, we have a beach here. But you can't swim, it's cold. And we're gonna go over there, behind the mountain, Rock Mountain. It's very windy here. It's not white sand like Boracay, but it's good enough. It's very clean, it's very fine. Actually, it's very fine. How can you not enjoy this place? Look. Wow. Amazing. Over there. No, I have something else. Can you hold this, please? It's good. I'm always prepared.
It's freaking cold wind. Why don't see the screen? What's the good? Let's go swim.
I'm not sure if we can fly the drone over here, but in the middle I think we can. Why it's so windy?
But it's beautiful, huh?
It's really beautiful. So windy. It's cold. You see, it's the sun is deceiving. We have sun today, kind of strong sun, but look, it's cold. Välkommen till Fornet-friområde. It's great not to be sick. So we're able to enjoy the nature. We're gonna try to fly the Mavic Mini here, just to see how it looks like around. go over here and see what we got. Wow. Wow, nice. Here we can walk. What's this here? Some equipment, maybe it's locked. What you got here? You can keep some. It's a storage. Look, you can have a picnic over there. See? Over there you can have a picnic, right?
With your phone? I can take my phone.
Go around, Justin, take view. Go over there. Go over there.
Over there?
I just want to see how it is. Oh my God, look, there's a woman. Got scared. It's like a woman looking at you. Gosh, this is an old town. It could have been more beautiful, but because of the wind, it's chilly. My hands are frozen. We're not enjoying the place. We had to leave. Goodbye, Sharingrik. Fornet. We have to go back. And I lost my cap. It's good to have extra for my head. They were not able to fly the drone because it's so windy. This drone is not powerful enough to hold on to its position. So cold. It looks warm, but it's not warm. It's really cold. Listen, like nobody lives here. Nobody lives here. Oh, it's old historical house. Fisherman's house.